If you've ever noticed Firefox hiding part of a website address in the address bar, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to display full URLs in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a great little tweak if you want to see the complete web address, check for security, or just prefer having the full URL visible at all times. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the browser. Then type about, config, and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's advanced configuration page where you can change hidden browser preferences. If you see a warning message, don't worry, just click accept the risk and continue, or proceed, depending on the version of Firefox you're using. This simply confirms that you want to access the advanced settings. Now that you're inside the configuration page, use the search box at the top and type browser.urlbar.trimURLs. This is the preference that controls whether Firefox shortens URLs in the address bar. Press enter and you should see the setting appear in the results below. By default, this value is usually set to true, which means Firefox trims or hides parts of the web address to make it look shorter. If you want to show the full URL, all you need to do is click the toggle button next to that setting. This will change the value from true to false immediately. And that's it. There's no need to restart Firefox or save anything manually. The change is applied right away, so you can go back to any website and see the full address displayed in the browser bar. This is especially useful if you're comparing links, checking whether a page is secure, or just want more visibility while browsing. If you ever want to reverse the change later, you can return to About, config, and toggle the setting back to true. So now you know exactly how to show full URLs in Firefox in a few quick clicks. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful browser guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.